Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial about the trick and trick about how to make your code better. I mean, one trick only, okay? I try to make it fast, so forgive me this I can't speak now. I mean, speak but actually. Um, so here I go here. This is the top eight movement, 8-way movement, and for for your usual day you always put like this block like this. Now to be fair, these blocks are okay, but when you try make a lot of games that involve like this, just like me, it will become repetitive actually. So that's so this you want to make it simple, fast like that. Then we're going to have to do the second way. The trick I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to move this one kit here. So we are first kit. So first thing first, I'm going to first thing set value to 2 because so I can show it better. I'm not gonna set 1 because whatever. Anyway, so get the variable block and then place and then get the things x and y. This time you don't need to put this because we're going to use the mathematics actually. So first get the time actually. We need to multiply block. The reason we're gonna need multiply because this you know that this later I will show you. So we're gonna place the variable here. So as you may know, when you put 0, it will become 0 even though it's 2 actually. This one 2 I confirm. Yeah, 2. When I press 1, it will become 2. And this mathematics allows us to make it simple. So I'm gonna get the key plus. And by the way, did you know that you can actually place the boot date into the variable, right? When you do that, every time you press the D, it will always become like when 2 is 1, 4 is 0, same as that. So, but what I meant is that when I push the D inside the variable and when I don't push it, it will become 0. But when I push D, it becomes 2, and that's how you do it actually. And now we're going to place a negative S, and the way to do it is very simple. Place the minus because this one is going to place positive, and this one is going to place negative. This one is positive. This one is positive. Whatever. Positive. So we're gonna get the A. Remember, this one is positive. Left is positive and right is negative. Remember that. So now, right now I don't press anything 0, and when I press D, it will become positive. This one's D. This one. And now when I go to negative, I want to go left. It will become negative because minus actually minus 2. It might So yeah, that's how you do it. As for Y, I don't need to tell. It's gonna be easy. Just push W and S. So now I can see this is how you do. This is how you do simple. I mean simple, easy, just like coding, programming. When you make it very long, and then one day you suddenly think something usual, and then you make it very simple, and that's how programming fun actually. You make it very long, simple, but once you get ahead of it, you become you want to look for a simple way to make it easy actually. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you learned anything. And yeah, anyway, I will see you guys next time. See ya.